Eurotranciatura Mexico is made here 15 years ago. We make lamination for stator and electrical motor and the generators. We have a very important opportunity because it's true that we are observing a decreasing of the automotive request, but we are having important increasing, speaking about the motor dedicated for the EV. At this moment, we have 30% of the worldwide market of the EV.
The quality requirements from our customers imply to use a solution or system that to control all the quality specifics and also to work on the traceability that has to be at the best level possible. We make an investigation with the quality inspectors from our main customers, and they mentioned that the best quality solutions from the suppliers that they have were using Plex. Before using Plex, we use regular papers to collect all the basic information from our production process and also quality. Now we eliminate this extra work.
So that means that people don't need to wait to capture all the data that is in paper in a computer, but they have the real data in real time, so we can take decisions in the moment. And I can be in a weekend in my house and see how production is going on regarding measurements, regarding the quantity of parts that are going out with an OK status. So I don't need to wait till the next day and verify papers.
Plex solution for us was a good one because of the cloud solution that didn't imply to make larger investments on equipment and people to run the system. The main impacts we have from Plex is the production control and the quality control of our business. We have identified different improvements in our key indicators of performance. We increase efficiency in one of the plants, the traditional operations, from 65 to 75. Then on the more automatic plant, we increase our efficiency from 85 to 90%. Having all the relevant information for the quality process and the production process, we were able to reduce scrap rates from a regular 2.5% to less than 1.5%. Our customers are growing and they require that the suppliers have the capabilities to grow with them at the same level, at the same speed. Plex is playing an important role for our growing. Now that all the quality control, all the production systems are generating massive information, they see that we have a good partner in order to support our growing that has been constant from the last years.